Oh my goodness!
Are you crazy?
Don't
That's
worry.
7 years of bad luck.
Not with me. Look at this.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna show you how to fix a mirror.
What's the
No
lemon?
matter
lemon?
what. Yeah, because the acidity is gonna go inside the crack.
Let me
and
see
it's
this.
gonna heal it.
Let me see this lemon.
All right.
So
perfect.
that
Yeah,
fills
this one needs to be back here.
the gaps?
Exactly. Here we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
So lemon juice.
All right. I know. It's
Okay.
crazy.
All right.
I've never
What's next?
seen that.
What's next? You won't believe
There's
it.
more?
There's
Deodorant.
deodorant.
Yeah, but need
Wait,
like
let me see. Let me see. Let me
needs
see.
to have like
one is
alcohol
this?
inside.
Dove men. Okay.
So does it have to be the gel
Yeah.
kind?
See,
Okay,
it's
so
gonna
the
go
gel
inside the
deodorant?
crack, like so.
Really rub it on there.
I know. We don't want 7 years of bad luck. And this actually works with everything, even with your screen on your phone. If you drop your phone, that
You
will
can
work.
do this to your phone?
Yeah,
This is the craziest thing I've ever
I
seen.
know. Watch, it should be.
So lemon and a deodorant.